In the part 1 video, we showed you how we installed the TCI custom IFS front suspension. With that front suspension, we did some modifications inside the car, so let's take a look at what we did there. So as you can see underneath the engine bay here, it's opened up and it's huge. We can fit a big block FE in here if you want to, a mod motor, small block, whatever you want to fit in here, it will take it. As you can see here where the shock towers were, got the block off plates, which are all fastened by Allen keys. And most of these bolt holes here are reused from the factory location, but a couple new ones are drilled. As you can see here, the U-joint system is not included with the kit, but it is sold by TCI, and this connects up to our new I Did It steering column, which we'll talk about in a second. For braking system, continued, we got a 7/8 Willwood manual brake master cylinder, and this connects over to a proportioning valve here that's also Willwood. Now we're going to change this up a little bit to where this proportioning valve goes off the front brakes because we're going to have a big rear tire and a small front tire. So we actually want to be able to relieve the pressure from the front brakes and have more braking power in this drag racing application. So this will get it redone slightly. Now let's go ahead and take a look inside the cabin here. As you can see, the I Did It column here. It's all nice black powder coated, specifically made for the 65, 66 Mustangs, and even the wiring harness is the factory color code. So you actually can take the factory wire harness plug and transfer that over to the I Did It column, and everything plugs up perfectly. So you got the tilt column here, so you can move that around. It's kind of sitting low right now because we've been working on the car. So you can see here with the Grant steering wheel is a nice addition to the I Did It column. Bolts right up with the adapter brackets that come with it, and then you have a nice Ford licensed horn button, polished aluminum spokes, really nice touch. So from here, we're actually going to have an installation video coming next on the rear suspension, which will be a strange rear end, Willwood brakes again, and Calvert leaf spring rear suspension, and even a mini tub. We might even be able to sneak a couple shots in here of us fitting the engine into the engine bay, so stay tuned.